Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to recover Snapchat streak in 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and go to your chats. If your streak just expired within 48 hours, a restore button might appear next to the friend's name. Tap it to restore your streak immediately. Snapchat Plus users get 5 free restores per month. Non-subscribers get 1 free restore, and after that, each restore costs $0.99. If no restore button appears, open Snapchat and go to settings, then I need help, then snap streak. Then tap I lost my snap streak, then fill out the form with your username, your friend's username, streak length, approximate end date. And mention it if you saw the hourglass icon. Submit it and Snapchat will review your request. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.